Sitting on that awkwardly.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Right, hold the slope. Shall I go on another 500 metres on the ice?
So my name's Nathan Stanley, the ARB manager for the Green Team, and we are here in Camden at the moment. We've got 450 tonne crane on site, we've got 2 London plane trees to come out, to stump grind and then to replant. Yeah, so we got picked for this contract because of the focus on safety. Obviously we've got a whole road closure in place, but we've got residents in all of the houses lining either side of the street. So we had to ensure that we could keep access, and we had to ensure that we could keep pedestrians moving up and down the road, even though we've got a road closure in place. So that meant a lot of site visits, a lot of meetings with City Lifting and with the housing association that we're working for, liaising with the local residents as well, and a lot of time spent writing risk assessments and sort of collecting all of the data so that we could ensure that, one, we did it safely, but 2, we did it efficiently with as little disruption as possible.
These are 2 mature plane trees. They were around 20-21 metres height. Incremental growth of the stem and the root plate has resulted eventually in direct pressure being caused against the rear elevation of the building. So the brickwork has been pushed up and inside the building to be 100 mil of vertical. So there's lots and lots of cracks inside. It's not possible to undertake any other work than removal of the trees to fix the rear elevation of the building.
Keep going. Yeah, perfect. All good there.
Absolute stunner of a pit.
Well done, boys.